What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? Hey, I want you this video today because I wanted to talk about ways to make money online. Different ways, different little minor strategies that you can use. So a lot of times people might hear us saying, hey, you can make money online, you can do all this, yada, yada, yada. But no one never really shows you how to do it. So you might see a lot of times people might be flashing money, throwing a lot of cash around, telling you what you can make, all this. But, you know, I'm going to actually share my screen. I'm going to put something up that should kind of show you something where I get passing out free trials. This company literally pays me every week and I pass out free trials. And that's all it is. So we have people literally, guys, making anywhere between 25 residual income all the way up to $4,000 a week residual income. It's residual. Not one-time payments here, guys. So this is a residual income, and people are making some good money in it. And the thing is that with this information, when you get involved with us, we're going to show you how to do this. Okay? So we have weekly webinars. We have not even weekly. We have daily trainings to show you guys how to actually market online and make money online. And when you also come aboard, and when you come in and be a part of this, I'm also going to give you a free marketing. I'm going to also give you a free marketing system and training that goes along with the system as well. Okay, so I'm going to give you an additional training that goes along with the system that shows you how to do ads, exactly what I'm doing right now. Okay, so there's going to be a link that's going to be at the bottom. You can like this video, share this video for somebody that may benefit from it. But definitely, guys, check it out. Like I mentioned, it's free. You can check it out. No credit card required. So a lot of times people say, hey, you're going to need money up front. So it's free for you to check it out. It's free if you want to sign up. And then if you like everything, boom, let's move. All right, but I'm going to leave the link at the bottom. Check it out. And again, like this video, share this video to someone that could definitely use the information. But this your boy Jay. I'm out. Peace.